everyone. I hope you all doing great. In the last video we have studied about the vowel sounds. Today we are going to study about the consonant sounds. So I have a alphabet book. I am going to teach the sounds by using this. Shall we start? Okay, the first one, ball. B for ball. B, b, b. B for ball. B, b, b. C. C for cat. C for cat. K, k, k. C for cat. K, 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 k. D for duck. D for duck. D, d, d. D for duck. D, d, d. Next, fish. F for fish. F for fish. Next one, G. G for goat. G, g, g. G for goat. G, 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 g. H. H for hen. H for hen. See, this sound has to come from your throat. It is totally air based sound. It has to come from your throat. The next page. Yeah, jack. J for jack. J, j, j. J for jack. J, 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 j. K for kite. K, k, k. K for kite. K, k, k. L. L for lion. Il, il, il. L for lion. Il, il, il. M for mango. M for mango. Im, im, im. The last one. N. N for nest. In, in, in. N for nest. In. So that's it, guys. Practice the sounds. We will see the remaining sounds in the next video. Thank you.